Hi, I'm Mark Kleisner, a student at Gateway Technical College's Culinary Arts program here in Racine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Greek salad. The first step to making the Greek salad is make sure you wash your hands, and if you have disposable gloves, wear them, because there's no cooking involved in this meal. So just for the safety of your family and yourself, make sure your hands are clean. Now today I have pre-wedged tomatoes, seeded and cut cucumbers, feta, cheese, red onions, already soaked in salt water for about 15 minutes. Cold salt water will bring out the flavors of the onion. I have the zest of half of a lemon and some of its juice. I have olives, pepper, and oregano, vinegar, olive oil, and honey. Now the first step is to clean and wedge your tomatoes. Now when you have the tomatoes wedged, you can take off the top part of the stem because it can be kind of crunchy and there's no flavor in it. Now the second step is when you're letting your onion soak in the cold salt water, you can put together your dressing. Now I have the zest of a lemon and the juice of the lemon, about a tablespoon of juice. The first step is take your olive oil, pour it into the bowl, leave a little to dress the top of your salad. Take your vinegar, add all of your vinegar. Add pepper and your oregano. Leave a little of both to top your salad with. And add about a tablespoon of honey. You can use your whisk now to take off the rest of the honey that sticks to your tablespoon. And now slowly start to whisk everything together. And you're going to want to try to make sure the honey doesn't clump up on the bottom, so make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom. And after you mix it, you can let it sit on the side. So the next step is you can take your cucumbers and your onions and add them to your tomatoes. And now with some tongs, you can start to toss and mix them together. Now you can add in your dressing. Your onion, and then your olives. Give it another mix. Try to coat all your vegetables with dressing. Now with your feta cheese, you're going to want to crumble it. There's two ways you can do this. You can crumble it and then mix it and fold into your salad to have it more incorporated, or you can crumble it right on top of your salad. I prefer to crumble it inside, so every spoon of the salad has the feta inside. So just crumble it apart. You can use your hands. If you try to use a tongue or a spoon, it's going to be quite difficult. And just give this a quick stir. And the final step is take your plate, add your salad, and this is called family style. When you place it just on one plate, and then your family can serve themselves when you put it on the table. It's one of the easier ways when you have a large family, so everybody can try a little bit of everything. And then the last step, just take a pinch of the pepper, some of the oregano, and then some olive oil to dress the top. And this is as simple as it is to make a classic Greek salad. If you want, you can take some grilled chicken breast and slice it and put it on top, and you have a meal for your family instead of just a side. And that's as simple as it is to make a classic Greek salad. If you have any more questions about Gateway Technical College's Culinary Arts program, you can visit our website at gtc.edu/culinaryarts. Thank you.